How do I get my offers accepted? How do you get your offers accepted when everything's selling in 5 minutes and there's multiple offers on every property? How in the world are we going to break through? That's a very good question. And what you want to do is you want to have a very good offer strategy when you're placing an offer on a property. You want to make sure, does the buyer know about the strength from the perspective of your lender? Does the buyer know anything about you? Anything about your family? Anything about what your dreams and your aspirations are for this property? Now, is that going to make a difference in every case? Not necessarily, but there are cases, there are sellers that want to know who's taking over my home, who's moving into my property. And these points and information could be what turns the difference between they taking a look at your offer versus someone else. So if you're shopping, if you're a home shopper, you want to make sure that whoever you're working with, that you have a strong offer package. Hi, it's Gary Evans with Evans Realty Group, and this is just one of our 16 key marketing systems we use for not only our sellers, but also for our buyers. The offer package we put together, it's comprehensive. It encompasses all aspects of the buyer, all the way from their employment, what they do, to the lender, to the opinion of the lender, have the lender reach out to the buyers. So all of this we do to get your offers accepted in this very, very hot market. If you have questions on this, please call me at 832-721-0442. Be happy to answer any questions you may have, as well as we are on our mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. So your business and your referrals really do help the kids at Texas Children. So I want to thank everyone for watching this. If you found this information helpful, please share it, like it, subscribe to our channel, and we're going to be talking to every one of you folks again real soon.